Breaking news. Qadi Tehreek Altaf Hussein's important address on April 23, 2021. Mr. Altaf Hussain, founder and leader of MQM, will deliver his second thought-provoking speech on Friday, April 23, on the topic of justice system. The main topic of the address will be the justice system, including subtopics. Today, Mr. Altaf Hussain gave a thought-provoking speech on the subject of justice system. Mr. Altaf Hussain's second address will be aired on Friday at 6:30 p.m. London time and 10:30 p.m. Pakistan time. His address will be on justice system but will also include subtopics. Mr. Altaf Hussain delivered a thought-provoking speech on the topic of justice system on Wednesday, April 21, in which he shed light on the current system in the country, especially the judicial system. Mr. Altaf Hussain will deliver the second address in this regard on Friday, April 23 at 6:30 p.m. London time and 10:30 p.m. Pakistan time. His speech will be broadcast live on social media. The link of the address will be released tomorrow. To watch and listen Altaf Hussain's by historical and thought-provoking lectures, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel Revolutions with Altaf, and don't forget to press the bell icon.